Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created this channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So, if that is on your bucket list for 2024, then you have found yourself in the right place at the right time. Now, to all of my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. You guys are going to have a blast on this channel, really simplifying your Forex education and really just connecting and get to know me because my goal really is just to help you become a better trader and to really turn your life around. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I appreciate you guys for continuing to revisit the channel, continue to share the videos, continue to engage with me because as long as you're learning, I feel like I've really done my job and it makes me feel so awesome. I'm super grateful for that. Now, if you are somebody who has been struggling for maybe a couple of months or maybe a couple of years with understanding Forex, hopefully this channel can simplify it for you. Now, if you are looking for something a little bit more beyond what I offer on YouTube, like a personal mentor or just a community of traders, I did recently launch the Money Mantra e-learning platform, which is self-guided, but we do have live classes every Sunday where you can come interact with me, interact with other traders, and really just get those questions answered. Now, you can find all of the information below of just more about me, how to connect with me on Instagram or TradingView down below in the description box. But any additional questions beyond that, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to connect with y'all. So in today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you some really simple and easy features that you can use on TradingView to help you with entry points. I think that a lot of what happens with trading is that we get so immersed in all of this information that we don't really know what's relevant and what's not. And that can be really stressful for a beginner. Now, I focus on beginner strategies and techniques because if you can learn these simple things and just do them over and over again, I do truly believe that you will become a better trader. So I always say that although trading is simple, it's not easy, but we are going to be using some pretty kindergarten and basic tools that you can find and use for free on your TradingView charts. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head to tradingview.com, of course, and you're going to want to choose the asset that you want to trade. Now, in TradingView, you can trade Forex, futures, stocks, indices, and all types of things. But for the purpose of this lesson, we will be focusing on Forex. So the pair I'm currently looking at is Euro USD, which just stands for the Euro versus the United States dollar, which we can see here since I have my watermark on. Now, again, TradingView does offer different tiers. They have free tiers, they have paid tiers, they have premium tiers, but you can really get a lot done by using or taking advantage of all the free features that they do have. So the first thing that I'm going to do is show you guys the two different sections that we'll be using today. And this is our trend line section, which is here. Now, if you see me click on this little arrow, you'll see all the different types of trend lines come up, like the trend line, the ray, the info line, the vertical line, and just all types of things you can do here. So we'll be in this section, and we'll also be in the geometric shape section as well. It usually starts off with your paintbrush, but this is also where you'll find your rectangles and circles, which are two of the tools we'll be using today. So the lines are pretty self-explanatory. If you want a horizontal line, you're going to click on horizontal line and you're going to place your horizontal lines wherever you feel like they need to be placed on the charts. Now, when it comes to me and I'm placing my horizontal lines, I just like to look for clear areas of support and resistance. And if you're still confused about support and resistance, I do have additional 5-minute videos that you can watch on that as well. But support and resistance are areas where you will find buying and selling opportunities. Now, usually areas of resistance are found at the top of trends, and I'm just going to highlight a few here. And I'm also going to turn these lines red just so that we know that these are areas of resistance or potential places where we could sell. So once you've added your horizontal line to the chart, you can of course do more edits by clicking on the pen to change the line color tool. You can change the thickness of the line if you wanted to, making it either thicker or thinner. And you can even lock this line into position so that it doesn't move when your chart moves. Now, areas of resistance, again, are usually found at the top of the trend. You'll usually be able to notice these when you see that the market has been buying, which means it's been going up. And then you'll see area where the market just stops. This is known as an area of resistance. Now, when you're marking up your charts, you can put as many or as little of these lines on your chart as possible, but you do want to try to get close to where the market is, just to make sure that your analysis is relevant. So here I can see an area of resistance because previously the market sold in this area. This is an area of resistance because the market sold at this area before. This is also an area of resistance because we can see the market came up, it stopped around this area, and then it chose to sell. Now, what you can do is actually zoom out, and you'll be able to find even more areas of resistance and potential areas where you could sell. And you can do all that by simply just using your horizontal line feature. Now, you can also do the same thing by creating, I'm just going to take these off. I'll take one off. You can also do the same thing, use the same horizontal line to create areas of support. And areas of support will usually be found at the bottom of a trend. And again, I'm just going to change this green so that we know that this is a potential area to buy. And again, if I were to zoom out, I will be able to add an additional area of support. And we could just zoom in and see that this was another area that the market pushed down to, and then it bought several times. So again, this is a really simple way to use your horizontal line tool to find areas of support and resistance. So I really hope that this was helpful. This is something that you can do as many or as little as you want. You can do this on higher time frames. You can see this one is still relevant. Our area of resistance on the hour is just as relevant as our area of resistance on the 4 hour. And the same thing with these areas of support. And you'll notice that the more you zoom out of your chart, the wider the analysis will be and the more areas of support and resistance you will find. So I really hope that this video was helpful. If you did learn something, make sure you definitely let me know. I would love to hear it. I also would like for you guys to leave me a comment and let me know what are ways that you find support and resistance or entry points on your chart. This will also be the perfect time for you to subscribe to the channel if you did find this video helpful. I do encourage you to continue to explore the other short videos I have on my channel. And if you do need more assistance beyond what is offered on YouTube, you can register for personal mentorship, and that information is down below in my description box. So that's really all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.